Dear student, perform an activity. You will prepare the compost using kitchen waste and bring it in school when the school will reopen. Now chapter 3, chemical substances and processes. So first of all, you know what is pure substances? Pure substances, there is no impurities added. That means the materials which are made up of same kind of particles. Particle may be atoms or molecules are called pure substances. Pure substances is classified as elements and compounds. Elements. Pure substances which is made up of same kind of atoms are called elements. Atoms are the smallest particles which cannot be broken down by physical and chemical methods. Example of elements are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, neon, etc. Next is compounds. A compound is a pure substance which is made up of same kind of molecules. Molecules is the combination of two or more elements. Compounds are substances made up of two or more different kind of elements chemically combined in a specific ratio. For example, you know water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Means there is two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. Example of compound is water, carbon dioxide, sugar, etc. In compounds, atoms are combined in a fixed ratio. If they are not combined in a fixed ratio, then it will be mixtures. A mixtures which contain two or more substances mixed in any proportions. A mixture are not a pure substances. Example of mixtures are tea, perfumes, air, etc. Now you have some materials, you will classify them whether they are pure substances or mixtures. First one is air. Air is a mixture of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogens, so many other gases. So air is mixture. Iron. Iron is pure substance. Water is a mixture. Soil. Soil is also mixtures. Lemonade is also mixtures. Gold pure substances. Oxygen pure substances.